The ProDeck Workshop from John Adams. This video will show you how to make cool mini-deck skateboards using the ProDeck Workshop. The workshop includes the punching station, which allows you to stamp out your own designs for your decks, the pressing station, where you put all the deck layers together and glue and shape your boards, the sanding wheel, where you can shape the edges of your deck to make them nice and smooth, a handy compartment to store all your screws, nuts and trucks. And you can store your wheels here. Here's the display rack where you can show off all the cool decks you're going to make. The set comes with a brush, sanding file, glue, trucks and wheels, a micro tool, grip tape, wood effect sheets, mid-boards, 10 cool deck designs and stickers. In the kit, there is enough material to make 10 decks, but you can also use any magazine image or even make your own design and stamp it out. Just take the image, place it in the punching station and pull down the handle, which punches 8 screw holes and a guideline to show you where to cut the image to make it the correct size. To make a deck, you need one of the wood effect sheets and 3 pieces of the pre-cut midboard. A good tip is to push out and remove all the waste pieces of material with the micro tool to stop them getting stuck in between the layers. Start by opening the pressing station like this. You will need to go into your kitchen and get a piece of cling film about 80 by 130 millimeters in size and place it over the bottom part of the pressing station. Now start by placing your wood effect sheet face down on top of the cling film. Make sure the pins on the pressing station fit through the holes in the sheet. Take your glue and brush a thin layer of glue all over the surface. Now take the first of your 3 midboards and place it on top. Once again, make sure that the holes line up over the pins. Add another thin layer of glue. And repeat the process with the other 2 midboard layers. Now, you should have 3 midboard layers with a wood effect layer on the bottom. Finally, add 1 more layer of glue and place your chosen design layer onto the pins, face up. Slowly close the pressing station lid and lock it shut. Wait for 30 minutes for the glue to set. While you wait, you can make up your trucks. Place a plastic washer over the pin on the base. Now place the axle onto the base, making sure this point slots into the hole in the base. Place another plastic washer onto the pin and use the micro tool to screw on a nut to fix all these pieces together. Now add a wheel to each end of the axle. Each wheel has a cavity on one side. The cavity should face outwards. Use another nut and the micro tool to fasten the wheel in place. After 30 minutes, open the pressing station and remove the shaped deck. It should look like this. The edges will be a little untidy, so you can use the sanding station to make them nice and rounded. The sanding file can also be used for finer shaping. Now is the best time if you wish to add any of the stickers that are included in the kit. Stick grip tape onto the wood effect side of your board. This will help your fingers to grip, making it easier to perform tricks with your deck. Now secure the trucks in position by placing 8 of the small black screws through the holes in the deck from the wood effect side. Line up the trucks and use the micro tool to tighten the screws. A good tip is not to over-tighten the screws, as that can damage the screw threads. And that's how to make a cool mini deck skateboard using the ProDeck Workshop from John Adams.